say I've never done the pictures or video on one of these before. 1996 Porsche 911 Carrera. That year would be the 993 designation. Powered by a 3.6 liter flat six, and that is an air oil cooled engine. 6-speed manual gearbox. I believe this car either had 272 or 282 horsepower. 243 pound-feet of torque. 1996, this one had 171 mile per hour top speed. Pretty cool for 96. Of course, rear engine, rear wheel drive car. I'll let you take a good look at the nose cone. We'll get into some details about this. This does have the 3M protector on the nose cone. That's why it's not full of nicks, chips. You can also see there's a nice reflection coming off that hood. Now, as far as the paint, there's a reason why it looks so good on this car. The paint is actually, exterior of this car was actually restored 7,000 miles ago to the tune of a little over $9,000. There's receipts on that. A lot of the gaskets I noticed in there were replaced, even lights for that matter. So the exterior restoration on this car has been done, and again, approximately 7,000 miles ago. It's actually a two-owner car. Second owner purchased it in 2000 even, so the car was 4 years old when he purchased it. He's had it ever since for 21 years. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside, the interior, the exterior from every angle. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Again, you can see the reflection coming off the back wall. Riding on the Porsche wheels, does have newer General tires on it. As you can see, drilled rotors up front. Does have 4-way disc brakes every corner, and they are drilled at all 4 corners. Take a look at the interior, black on gray. There's your center console with the 6-speed manual gearbox. Everything looks stock on the inside. Now, as far as you can see the moonroof or sunroof, if you will, here, that has also been recently maintained, believe it or not, to the tune of about $4,100 in 2020. For the big one, underneath this back deck, where you find the engine, this car was completely gone through, a rebuild on the engine 8,000 miles ago. $26,000 plus was spent on restoring the engine of this car. So this one's ready. Turn the key in and go. Let's put it that way. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There will be an extra set of floor mats that are covering up the floor mats that are already in there, FYI. I have it pictured both ways in the still pictures. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see paint, nice shape, great reflection coming off the lights and all the way to the front door of the showroom. We'll check out the interior, look at that. There's to the front door. Black shows very nice on this car, and again, it's not that old to paint, so it should. FYI, AC blows cold. Everything seems to be working on the interior. Ran it through our inspection list, and that all checked out. Now, there are receipts of this whole maintenance process and the restoration as far as the exterior, the rebuild of the engine. So there are receipts for all of that. If you'd like to see those, feel free. Consult with your sales associate when you call in, and or, like I said, email. Let them get that car out of here. Alright, so you can see power windows, power mirrors here on the door. It does have power seats both sides. Let's go ahead and start this up. I want you to hear it run. We'll show you a couple other things on this. We'll open up that back deck. Alright. See how easily it starts. Now there's your miles. 146,391. Now, again, this thing has pretty much went through a restoration process, whether it be on the exterior, engine rebuild, even that sunroof. Tack works. See the oil pressure over here, great oil pressure. Fuel gauge working, temp gauge starting to come up. I had run it just a little bit ago. I moved it onto the pad to shoot the pictures and do the video. AC controls and heat. Stereo does work. Dash, everything in nice shape. Now, sunroof or moonroof is open. That does work. Opened up that right before the video. I'm going to stick the back wing out. Show you that is also working. Wipers worked. Had that going a little bit ago. Slip around to the back and you hear this run. There you go. Check that out. Screen comes up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at how clean and nice and tidy that engine bay is. Again, air and oil cooled, 3.6 liter. Very smooth running, sounds good. There you go, if you want a well-maintained, known ownership history, 1996 Porsche Carrera, here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Great looking 911. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.